Welcome back to the eSigns podcast, where we dive into the world of sci-fi, action, and all things geeky. Today, I'm thrilled to have Louis Critchley, the visionary filmmaker behind the upcoming project, Beasts of Nemesis. Louis is a screenwriter, director, and producer with a passion for creating immersive storytelling experiences. He's also an advocate for animal welfare, which is reflected in his latest project. So, let's dive in and hear what Louis has to say about Beasts of Nemesis. Louis, welcome to the show. Can you give us a brief overview of Beasts of Nemesis?
It's a story about a commander's son who fights a malevolent plan to transform humans into beasts, while also rescuing defenseless animals from factory farms.
What inspired you to create a film that combines such diverse elements like magic, AI, and animal rescue?
I've always been fascinated by the idea of exploring the intersection of technology and the natural world, plus the issue of animal welfare is something I'm passionate about. I wanted to create a film that would not only entertain but also inspire and provoke thought.
The concept of AI rescuing animals from factory farms is quite unique. How did you come up with this idea?
I was inspired by recent advancements in AI and robotics. We're seeing incredible developments in autonomous vehicles and drones. I thought, what if we could harness this technology to protect vulnerable creatures?
The inclusion of magic adds a fantastical element to the story. Why did you choose to incorporate it?
I wanted to create a world that felt both familiar and extraordinary. Magic adds a sense of wonder and mystery, while also allowing for more imaginative storytelling.
Can you compare the magic in your film to that found in classic fantasy works like Lord of the Rings or Harry Potter?
While there are similarities, I've tried to put my own spin on it. The magic in Beasts of Nemesis is more grounded in the natural world and often tied to the animals themselves.
The film's theme of animal rescue resonates with many people. Why do you think this topic is so powerful?
Animals are often seen as voiceless victims. By telling their story through a fantastical lens, we can connect with them on a deeper emotional level. It's a way to raise awareness about the issues they face without being preachy.
How do you plan to balance the action and adventure with the emotional depth of the story?
I believe the two go hand in hand. The challenges our characters face will be both physical and emotional. By seeing them struggle and overcome adversity, the audience can connect with them on a personal level.
The film's AI characters will undoubtedly be a highlight. Can you tell us a bit about them?
The AI in my films are not just machines, they have personalities, emotions, and even a sense of humour. They're more like digital companions than tools.
Given the recent advancements in AI, do you think audiences will be able to relate to these characters more easily?
As AI becomes more integrated in our lives, we're starting to see them as more than just algorithms. They're capable of complex thought and emotion.
What do you hope audiences will take away from Beasts of Nemesis?
I want them to feel inspired, entertained, and challenged. I hope the film will spark conversations about animal welfare, technology, and the importance of empathy.
Louis, how do you plan to finance this project?
We're exploring various funding options, including traditional film financing, crowdfunding, and potentially leveraging blockchain technology for tokenized investments.
What makes Beasts of Nemesis a unique investment opportunity?
The film's blend of genres, combined with its strong social message, makes it a compelling project for investors. It has the potential to appeal to a wide audience and generate significant returns.
How do you plan to market and distribute the film?
We're working with a talented marketing team to develop comprehensive strategies. This includes traditional methods like trailers, social media, as well as exploring opportunities in the digital and streaming markets.
What sets Beasts of Nemesis apart from other sci-fi films?
The film's unique blend of magic and AI, combined with its strong focus on animal welfare, differentiates it from other projects in the genre.
Finally, Louis, why should investors choose to support Beasts of Nemesis?
Because it's a film that not only entertains, but also has the potential to make a positive impact. It's a project that's commercially viable and socially responsible.
Well, that was an incredible conversation with Louis Critchley. I'm blown away by his passion for this project and his unique vision for blending sci-fi, fantasy, and social commentary. Beasts of Nemesis promises to be an epic adventure that will not only entertain, but also inspire. If you're a fan of Star Wars, action-packed storytelling, and thought-provoking themes, then this is a film you definitely want to keep an eye on. Be sure to follow Louis and the project's progress for updates and behind-the-scenes content. And remember to check out Louis's other work, including his feature film, Lost Mantle of Elijah. Thanks for listening, and until next time, this is Bill Haley signing off from the eSigns Podcast.